Hello, I'm Trae Zipperer with By Memorial Day, where we've made it our mission to clean every veteran headstone by Memorial Day. In my previous videos, you've heard me compare and contrast the level of care in our hometown cemeteries as those provided at Arlington National Cemetery. In this video, I'm here at Arlington with the American Capitol behind me. The Tomb of the Unknown Soldier is just behind the camera there, and I'm going to take you to see the changing of the guard at our Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, which marks its 100th anniversary this year, dedicated on November the 11th, 1921. I'm going to share with you a couple of headstones here and a couple of the headstones you'll find in your local hometown cemeteries.
It is requested that everyone remain silent and standing during this ceremony. All military personnel in uniform will render the hand salute, and it is appropriate for all others to place their right hand over their heart.
I hope you'll watch our videos on how to properly care for a veteran headstone and get out into your community, find our veteran headstones in need of perpetual care, and get them cleaned up and ready for Memorial Day. This is a reading of the bronze marker at the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, explaining how the soldiers were selected from so many unknowns. An unknown American soldier was exhumed from each of the 4 American cemeteries in France. They were placed in identical caskets and assembled at Chalons-sur-Marne. The unknown soldier was selected on October 24, 1921. Sergeant Edward F. Younger, U.S. Army, carrying a spray of white roses, entered the room where the 4 unmarked flag-draped caskets were resting. He slowly circled, silently placing the roses on one of the caskets. Thus, the unknown soldier was officially designated. The 3 remaining unknowns were then returned to the Meuse-Argonne Cemetery. The unknown soldier was placed aboard the U.S. cruiser Olympia, which arrived at the nation's capital on November 9, 1921. the honored remains were taken to the rotunda of the United States Capitol to rest in state until Armistice Day. On November 11th, the unknown soldier was moved to the Memorial Amphitheater in Arlington National Cemetery. After services in the amphitheater, the remains were borne to the sarcophagus for brief committal rites. The impressive ceremony closed with 3 salvos of artillery, the sounding of taps, and the national salute.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I am Staff Sergeant Fraser of the 3rd Infantry Regiment, United States Army. Guard of Honor, 2 of the Unknown Soldier. The ceremony that you are about to witness is the changing of the guard. In keeping with the dignity of this ceremony, it is requested that everyone remain silent and standing. Thank you.
I hope this video has given you an opportunity to pause and consider why the veteran headstones in our hometown cemeteries are covered in filth as compared to the way we maintain our veteran headstones in our national cemeteries. November the 11th, 2021 is only a few days away. Marks the 100th year that we've been guarding that tomb of the unknown soldier with absolute precision, honor, and respect. We can bring that same level of patriotism to our hometowns again by getting out in our local cemeteries and cleaning our veteran headstones. To learn how, go to bymemorialday.com, watch the videos I've posted there for you to learn how to properly clean a veteran headstone without doing any harm. Read the protocol issued by our National Cemetery Administration, and get out into your local cemetery and find those veteran headstones in need of care. Register as a volunteer at veterangraves.com, where you'll be able to tell the story about the veteran buried beneath the headstone that you clean in your hometown, where you can honor them in full military detail, right down to photos of their headstone before you clean it and after. I'm Trae Zipperer. We have 7 months until Memorial Day 2022. There's no excuse why we can't get one patriotic American assigned to each veteran headstone in their hometown cemetery. Let's get this done.